In this stretch tutorial, I'm going to be showing you how to do a single leg Soleus stretch on a step, or you can do this on a stair. So first things first, a little bit of health and safety. When we're doing this, it's really important to acknowledge we're stretching out the Soleus, we're not trying to get injured or trying to do anything unsafely. So how to do this stretch in the safest way possible will consist of having an exercise step or a stair and having at least one point of contact of your hands on something for balance. It's really, really important. So what I want you to do is I want you to come into a position firstly where both feet are on the step or stair that you're using. From here, I'm going to bring myself into a position, my left leg is the one that I'm going to be stretching, that my heel and my midfoot are off that step. I'm now going to bring this right leg out of the way, and from here, rather than coming down through the heel, I'm actually going to come forwards through the knee to get my Soleus stretch. So that position is how I would stretch my Soleus, and the reason why this is a deeper stretch than usual is because I've actually got only one point of contact with my feet in contact with the floor. So all of that intensity of the stretch gets deeper because all of my weight is on the stretched leg when I'm doing that. So let's run through that one more time. Step up onto the step up. From here, we've got the stretched leg that I'm going to be working, my left leg in this example with my heel and midfoot off the step. From this position, I bring the non-stretched leg out of the way, and then what I'm going to do is I'm going to keep my legs completely straight on the left side and then come into the stretch through bending the knee. So I'm bringing that knee forwards closer towards the wall in this example, and I'm going to hold that stretch there for my desired amount of sets and repetitions. And that is how to do a single leg Soleus stretch on a step.